Today I'm going to show you how to put drawers in cabinets rather than putting in shelves. They're a lot easier to get things out of. You can pull the drawer out, you can see what you have in there, and it's just way easier access. If you put a shelf in, you have to get down on your knees or a stool and then look way in, and stuff that gets way in the back, you don't know where it is, you don't know what's in there, you can't see it. So these drawers work great. So, and the basics of it are, actually found these drawers on the side of the road. Somebody's throwing them out, and had to trim them down a little bit, but ended up that they fit. But I mean, basically it's just a box. We had to make some of these, and you're just making a box. You get your dimensions for width and depth and whatever you want for height. And with these drawer slides, the drawer had to be an inch narrower. You need a ½ inch gap on each side, but you'll need to read, when you buy your slides, you'll need to read how much room you need. And first off, we built a prototype drawer. There's 4 drawers of the same size in this cabinet. We built one, and then we put everything together and put it in and make sure everything fit correctly. And fortunately it did. Then we made the other 3 drawers identical to the first one. And like I say, all the slides are different and things, so you just need to buy those first and then make your drawers accordingly. But it works a lot nicer than having a shelf in there. So that's about it. I mean, there's just, you need some basic carpentry skills, but it's not difficult to do. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment below.